Three bin chickens came to rest on a city street lamp post, having lazily flown in from Fisherman Bill's moored old rusty boat. Fish guts consumed on now an empty slimy deck, time to return to shore for a favourite bin to peck. Resting up first, allowing the last feed to come to settle, high on a lamp post which is made of a slippery cold metal. Two more have come to join the original feathery three, scrambling to on the ever-tall, lubricious metal tree. Another flies in and swoops an eye-tight solo spot. Enough room to sidle up and make the group look somewhat squat. Six bin chickens in a row, looking like a long feather duster, flapping about, gaining balance with all the gripping strength they could muster.